Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to do my first review on the new Viking battery charger, engine starter, and alternator tester. 125 amp. As you notice, this is just came out. It's not on no reviews on YouTube or nothing. Even Harvard Frankenstein got a review on it. So we're going to see what it's working with. I have a battery that's really completely dead. That to the point that it's bad. So if it can bring it back to life, then it might be worth something. But if it can't, just understand. But the main point is I'm trying to get to is what it's able to do, and is this worth buying? It was $130 something plus tax, about $140. So we finna go see what this new Viking all about. Be right back with you. As you see, I'm finna open the box for the first time. Finna see what it's working with. And see what I'll come with it. It's been a long time since I did a review on anything on my page. So I thought I'd do something new and something active. Oh yeah, also ladies and gentlemen, this thing is heavy. I don't know why it's so heavy, but it is. Okay, when it come out the box, y'all, I got it upside down for right now. Let me flip it over. That's how it look when it come out the box. Got your little engine starter manual, how to start it, work it, whatever. You know how that go. Guess you can carry it like that. So I'm finna get to plug it up and see what it's working with. It's hot out here today. Okay, like I said, this is brand new. You can find it at Harvard Fragrance. You know, I got a bad way of pronouncing that. So basically, like I said, y'all, it's heavy. It's $130 something, $139, $134, one of them. Come out to be almost $140 something. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I just plugged it up. Now I'm gonna hook it to the battery and see what it's gonna give me. Okay, it's supposed to be automatic. I don't know if it's gonna do it on its own or want me to decide. All right, they already told me it's AGM. You see it's on the AGM, 12 volts. You got your 6, 12, and 24 amps. I don't know what that V is right there. I guess a tester, engine tester. 12 volts, 12 amps. Well, I'm gonna just start with this and see what happens. See, I got air. Something going on with I guess the battery no good. try the 25. Aaron. Try 6 volts. Aaron. I guess that battery no good I got. I guess it's testing it. So I put it on test it. So it's counting down actually. I'm trying to see if it's worth $135. If it's not, then you know it's going back. All right, it tests the battery and it saying it's bad. So the battery is no good. Now I'm finna go test it on my SUV truck. I know it ain't fully charged, but I want to see how long it'll take it to finish to charge it up all the way. So ladies and gentlemen, when I put it on this car, my truck, and I know my battery good, now it's telling me my battery in this truck isn't bad. But what's so bad about it, my battery is not bad in this truck. So when I get ready to charge it, it's telling me Aaron again. Hold on, let me try my car out. So when I plug it up in my car, it came on and it is saying 112.86, 112.6. So almost see how this is gonna work. It's actually charged in now. So it's trying to tell me the battery in my truck is no good. The battery that I don't have in the truck is no good. And the battery that's in my car is good. It's hot out here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back on my truck. So this is what I found out. They want you to put the cables on first, then plug it up. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna make any difference. Remember, this told me that my battery was no good. So I'm gonna try it this way and see what happens. Well, see the zeros? When it came on there, it was showing me a percentage of 12 volts. So maybe this is not no good anyway. And see, I got the U, so I'm gonna use this texture. I'm just gonna start. See, still saying Aaron. So I guess my battery ain't no good in here. I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try one more time on my car over here and see what it say on that battery.